Happy Friday. It's time for my week in review. So I'm going to talk about a couple of stories that I found significant this week. Obviously, the first one is Tesla's going to be included in the S&P 500. Tesla shareholders have been waiting a while for this, but they're finally going to do it. This is interesting because I think Elon Musk owns about 20% of the outstanding Tesla shares. And there's a certain group of Tesla shareholders, myself included, who are basically in the Tesla cult and are not going to be willing to sell shares. So I think previously, I think Yahoo was the biggest company to ever join the S&P 500. And if my memory serves me right, their stock went up about 60% in the near term. And then I think it came back down over several months. But it'll be interesting to see Tesla's inclusion in the S&P 500 and just see what the price action is. Just because Elon Musk owns so many shares, and then the Tesla cult owns a certain number of shares, and probably aren't going to make those shares available. So please keep an eye on that. That'll be interesting. Another interesting one, very famous analyst from Morgan Stanley, Adam Jonas, upgraded Tesla from underweight to overweight, and he raised his price target from 360 to 540. He basically stated, citing a profound model shift, Adam Jonas anticipates increased revenue generation from high margin software and services in addition to EV sales. So it seems like mainstream Wall Street is starting to buy into the model more. Likewise, a big story out of NIO was that Ray Dalio, who runs Bridgewater Associates, which is the world's largest hedge fund, I guess he increased, almost doubling his position in NIO in Q3. So it doesn't seem like just Tesla, but this is maybe a worldwide transition that's occurring from gasoline to electric. And so keep an eye on this. I think Vanguard increased its position too. Another big story is Bitcoin is reapproaching all-time highs. I think just today it hit, or it's been above 18,000, but I think it's real close. I think it's 18,800 is the high today. So keep an eye on this. I'll do a later video on what I think about Bitcoin and my views and my ownership on that. The last big story is AIRBNB filed for public offering. I think this is going to happen in early December. I will probably be buying shares as soon as they're available for Airbnb. I like their business model, asset-light model, where they don't own the real estate, but provide a platform. Obviously, they've been hugely successful. It's probably struggled a little with the recent health issues that are going on worldwide, but I fully expect that when this clears up, that Airbnb will be a massive success. And I'll talk about this more in a future episode. But happy Friday. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day.